Takeoff. Home point updated.
Back in the day, it's nearly 20 years ago now, where I saw that Southham's had a link, a calendar. I think they had their website.
We need Southam.
For upcoming hashes.
Oh, Southam has our power.
Yeah, so you can see what they've got planned for the next 2 months.
Yeah. They've got a website and they've got a Facebook page.
I wonder how close we can get to the radio mast.
3, 2, 1.
It always feels like it's behind you.
I need to wear a hat. I feel the top on my scalp, but
Okay. Oh. Can't believe it.
you're looking ahead, Steve, but it's right above.
Yeah. I'm going to have to ask James to do me a favour in a minute. James?
Ah, sorry.
Can you see the roof there? Looks like there's a tile missing. The same one that was missing before. Would you be able to fly and point down onto it? Can you see the missing tile?
Try and do that now.
Yeah. Get.
Sun's so bright.
How close can you get to it? Can you see? There's definitely a tile missing. There's a hole in the roof, just on the front edge of the building there. Yeah, you can see the hole there. Can you zoom into that?
Yeah, definitely some missing tiles there.
Yeah. Can you take a photograph of it?
Yeah, hang on.
Brilliant. Have a look on my roof just to check that there's no tiles missing on my roof, which is the one to the left of the roof left to it. I don't think there is. They should have fixed mine. Yeah, but each time we have to replace a tile, it costs £1,000, and they've replaced that tile before, only, I don't know, 4 months ago, 5 months ago during the winter. Yeah, and you know they haven't done a proper job.
They're the same contractor.
Yeah. So it was DJI Roofing is the company name, DJI.
So yours is okay, isn't it?
I think so. I can't see. I can't really see from here. Because you know you've got the roof between the two blocks in the middle. That I can't see over there. I can only see this side of the roof of my flat, so I can't see above. You know where you normally sit in the lounge is just behind that centre roof piece. Can't see it from here. Yeah, hopefully.
Katy Perry came down as well. She should be counted as one of them. Katy Perry, she went up, didn't she? In the last month, she went into space.
Oh right, okay.
So Ford actually called her a space dog. So he might get a bit of a lawsuit going on there if he's not careful.
You should see it.
Yeah.
I don't think they're
As soon as she got up there, 160 miles up, she started seeing what wonderful world. I appreciate that humour, you know, it's not offensive. It's just driven by the mountain.
I'm here and you go to my regular, I'm not going to receive your text messages.
I'll give you a phone call or I can send it on Facebook.
Well, I may not receive your phone call because if I don't get a signal here, then I've got to use this new number to get a signal.
So
it's better to do by messenger because then I don't have to worry about switching from one SIM card to the other.
yeah, I don't use Messenger, so I'll have to
Yeah.
phone you.
Yeah, but if I'm here and I've got it on 3 and I haven't changed over to Vodafone, because with Vodafone I only get so much allowance, so I haven't got enough allowance. It's only in case of emergency and I can't get a signal. That's why I've got the second SIM card, because I was in Tynmouth and there's a lot of things happening and I had to message the management company and
You're still going to be using your 07810, aren't you?
yeah, but I can't use at the moment when I'm in my flat, so I can't receive texts and phone calls.
Whatever.
So,
I mean, you know.
So I've got, when I'm at my flat, ideally I need to change it to Vodafone, the SIM card. So on, I can show you.
Well, you have to sort that out yourself.
Well, it's a network. I can't sort it out because it's a network.
No, I couldn't send really messages to you on that other number because you won't receive it.
Yeah, so here I can change SIM card from Smarty is the 07810 and the Vodafone one, which is the Bara, is that one there. I don't remember what it's on. And I can just, so for calls, I can just switch them over to where I am. But it's a shame that I can't have them both on. You've got to choose between one and the other, which is a shame. It's technology. They haven't created a phone yet that you can have both SIMs on at the same time.
What's the time now?
It is 3:04. Probably right in the sun, so
I mean, it's also pretty feel. It's going to be excellent. But my eyesight is just telling me that's funny to me.
sounds like a swarm of bees, doesn't it? I guess that's what you were talking about earlier. I have sunbathed up here, but not for a few years. Yeah. It's so peaceful. Yeah. Yeah, flatboats are nice. And it was quite private, isn't it?
Return to home. Landing.
My watch goes off at 10 to 8 every morning, yeah. You see it? Oh, I can't see it. DJ, go up here and look at it.
I thought it was where the houses are, but it's not. It's coming down now. It's right above James.
Oh,
Landing.
Perfect land.